David, is that you? Wow, it's been such a long time.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. How many years has it been?
At least 3 years, maybe more. You look great.
Thanks, you too. I didn't expect to see you here today.
Yeah, I usually come here for a walk in the evenings. What about you?
Same, I just started jogging to stay healthy.
That's great. Do you come here every day?
Almost every day. It helps me clear my mind after work.
I know what you mean. I do the same thing. So, what have you been up to all these years?
Well, I changed jobs last year. I'm now working for a tech company.
Oh, that's exciting. Do you like it?
Yes, it's challenging but interesting. I get to work with people from different countries.
That must be fun. Do you travel for work?
Sometimes. Last month I went to Singapore for a conference.
Wow, that's amazing. I've always wanted to visit Singapore.
You should. It's a beautiful place and the food is fantastic.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well. My sister just got married.
Really? Congratulations to her. Did you attend the wedding?
Of course. It was a big celebration. Lots of dancing and food.
Sounds wonderful. I love weddings.
What about you? Any new hobbies or interests?
Actually, yes. I've started learning painting.
That's amazing. What kind of painting?
Mostly landscapes. It helps me relax after a busy day.
That's nice. Maybe you can show me your work sometime.
Sure, I'd love to.
You know, it feels so good to meet after such a long time.
I agree. We should definitely meet more often.
Absolutely. How about grabbing lunch together this weekend?
That sounds great. Saturday afternoon?
Perfect. Do you have any favorite places?
There's a new Italian restaurant downtown. I heard it's really good.
Italian food? Count me in.
Okay then. Saturday at 1 p.m.?
Done. I'll see you there.
I'm so glad we ran into each other today.
Me too. It really made my day.
Same here. Take care. And don't forget, Saturday at 1.
I won't forget. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.